Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Python in Windows 11. Let's dive into it. The first thing that we need to do is to open the web browser and type in the search field, download Python. Click on the first link named Download Python. You should end up in the website named python.org/downloads. Click on the yellow button to download the latest version of Python. The software download should start automatically. Below the yellow button, you can find Python versions for different operating systems like Linux or Mac OS. At the top right corner of your browser screen, you should find your latest download. You can click on it to start the installation of Python. If you can't see it, you can find your latest downloads in the Download folder in File Explorer. Double-click on the Python installation file. Select Use Admin Privileges when installing Python. This will make sure that you install the software as an administrator. And select Add Python to Path. Path is an environment variable in Windows. It basically tells the command line what folders to look in when attempting to find a file without typing the full path name. Under Customize Installation, you will find additional features. I usually leave all the checkboxes ticked in and click on Next. Under Advanced Options, you will find a choice to install Python for all the users on the computer or simply for yourself. It's up to you to decide. Below you can find the default installation location. You can customize it to a different location if you want to, and click on Install. The installation will take a couple of minutes to finish. On the following screen, you will have the option to disable path length limit. By default, Windows only allows 260 characters as a path name. If you are someone that will use many subfolders, disabling path length limit can be an option for you. By clicking on Close, we will finish the installation of Python. Let's do a test. Click on the Windows icon on the bottom of your screen, type CMD, and click on it. By typing Python --version in CMD, we can check which version of our Python is installed. And by typing the keyword Python in command prompt, we can enter the Python console. In this example, I will put a basic print text command to test the software. Another way to code in Python is to use the idle shell that you can find by clicking on the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and by searching and clicking on idle shell. And there you go. You have successfully installed Python on your Windows 11 machine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.